Hello, this is Jay from Cucumber Shop at Taste Testing Central. So what we have here is a USDA variety from India. It's a long melon that's grown immature as a cucumber, kind of light to dark splotching. So we have that. We have the Facussa from Sardinia, off Italy, which is light and dark, splotching as well. And we have also a little bit of dark splotching on this light variety from Turkey, and this is a cooking variety. So I'm not expecting much from this variety, but we'll see what we can come up with it for those two. So here comes the taste testing. I had to cut these off because this guy was still growing. I thought that they'd be done by now, but these started putting on fruit before this one was done, so hence I have to cut them all off. Yep, something that I call eating the difference when breeding cucumbers, anyways, or selecting for them. So let's see how this this variety from India does. Actually, a little sweet. It's nice. It's very good. Yeah. So far, the fruits that I've eaten from this are sweet and good. I mean, like, not like sweet, but not bad sweet. Let's look at that fruit cavity. It's got the 3 central seeds, kind of like the Armenians and the Caracello varieties. Let's check out this Fukusa. Oh, it's just looking so good already. I'm so excited to try it out. Let's see how this tastes. Let's see here. Oh yeah, very good. Bitter free, doesn't cause indigestion. And just look at that color. Oh, can't get enough of that. Let's try this Turkish variety. It's a cooking variety. Try immature. Last one I tried had 4 seed things, but this one has 3. Well, better than it was before. I definitely eat this one. It didn't turn out bad this time. Last time it wasn't so good. This time it's not bad at all. So here I've got this Turkish variety. It's a cooking cucumber. I guess dual variety. You can grow it immature. Here I've got the Fukusa, which is just beautiful and delicious. And here I have a long. This one also gets splotchy like the Fukusa. This one's very long as well. This is an Indian variety. I'll have to look it up sometime. But anyways, there you go. This is Jay from Cucumber Shop, and doing some taste testing of the Facussa, the Turkish baking, and the USDA Indian variety that's long. Anyways, hope you enjoyed, and happy gardening.